Greetings, trust you're doing well. Isaac here from Tutoring Edge-Transcendent Education, Bright Future. And today we'll be solving for x. So let me just give you some of the examples. Let's say, for example, we're given x minus 8 is equals to 10. And you're looking to solve x. First things first, you have to take this to this other side. In other words, the whole of negative 8, you must take it to that other side. In other words, it will be x is equals to 10. But remember, when you transpose to the other side, it changes the sign. So because it was negative 8, it's going to be positive 8. So basically, x is equals to 10 plus 8, it's 18. And then you are done. Now let's say, for instance, now you've got minus 10 is equals to minus x plus 2, something like this. Bring something complex, yes. Now what you do here is that you transpose this to the side. In other words, doesn't matter where the x is. So you bring the 2 that side, so you have minus 10. Because you're bringing the positive 2 to that other side, it will be minus 2. And then it will be minus x. So basically you have minus 12 is equals to minus x. So we are solving for x, but not negative x. So you have to divide both sides by minus 1. So x will be equals to 12. So for you to remove the negative here, this negative is when you divide by minus 1. Then your answer is x is equals to 12. Now let's do another one. Now I'm doing the one with an exponent. Let's say we've got 3x is equals to 1 over 27. So we'll do this afterwards. Let's start off with the milk first. So because x is an exponent here, you must change this number to base 3. In other words, you have 3 to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of 2. So now you have the same basis. So 3 and 3, same basis. You equate the exponents. So x will be equals to 2. And then from there you're done. Now let's deal with this one. Bring it down here. So we have 3 to the power of x is equals to 1 over 27. Now we need to change this to base 3. And how do we do that? Say 3 to the power of x is equals to, now what is 1 over 27? So it's like 1 over 3 to the power of 3. Let's see, did I punch it well? Yes. So 27 is like 3 to the power of 3. So basically we've got 1 over 3 to the power of 3. Remember the laws of the exponents? If you have 1 over 3 to the power of 3, you can change this by saying 3 to the power of minus 3. So in other words, we've got 3 to the power of minus 3. And here we've got 3x. Because we have the same basis, we equate the exponents. So x is equals to 3. And then from there you are done. Now let's say now you're given something like this. 2 times 3 to the power of x minus 1 is equals to, let's just say, put 18 here. So for us to be able to solve this, let me add another page. So we have to divide both sides by 2. and then we're left with the one that has x, which is 3 to the power of x minus 1. The answer here will be 9. Now we need to change 9 into base 3, which will be 3 to the power of 2. 3 times 3 is 9. So we've got 3 to the power of x minus 1. Now because we have the same bases, we equate the exponents, so which will be 2. So x will be equals to 3. And then from here you're done. If you have any questions, just click on the description box and then you will see all the information so that we can help you to improve and excel in your academics. Transcendent education, bright future. Thank you.